Hey loves, welcome to another wash and go tutorial using the Curlmix Method 4-product styling kit. And I didn't use any tools, that's right, finger styling only. So check this out. Alrighty you guys, let's get to styling. So I am using the Curlmix Method 4-product system, and for product 1 it is the aloe vera shampoo, and step 2 is the grapeseed conditioner. Now all 4 of these have a watermelon scent that is so refreshing. It smells so good, y'all. Like, I just love products that smell amazing. And then step 3 and 4, the avocado moisturizer and the flaxseed gel. So of course you guys know I start off with freshly shampooed and conditioned hair with step 1 and step 2. And I love that this shampoo is a clarifying shampoo that removes buildup, and the conditioner has a lot of slip. Now when you do a wash and go, you want to make sure that your hair is free of any product buildup, especially if you're going to be doing a wash and go using gel, and in this case flaxseed gel. So I did give myself a little trim, or like a little extra haircut, which I'm going to talk about in another video. But now I'm going to just section off my hair and prep for doing my wash and go. I like to work in 3 sections on each side, so 6 sections in total. So now I'm going in with step 3 and 4. The step 3 is the pure avocado moisturizer, and this is made with organic hemp seed oil, and this also has the watermelon scent as well. So I'm just going in, and it says apply like a dime size amount or quarter size amount. Now because I have a lot of hair, I mean, I didn't try to be too heavy handed, but I will say a little did go a long way. So after I apply the moisturizer, I'm just going to twist that up and continue to do that to all 6 sections. And now for styling, I'm going in with the flaxseed gel, which is step 4. So I'm already showing you guys how the bottom section looks. And I didn't use any tools because, as advised on the bottle, it says to use just your hands, or fingers I should say, and just do finger styling. So that's exactly what I did, and I'm really impressed with how the curls are kind of looking. So I wanted to show you guys a comparison because both sides are totally different for me on the back portion. One is a little bit more elongated and wavy, but once it dries, it looks the same. But yeah, you guys know I kind of have like that little trouble area. I guess I just have to grow it out and trim off some more. But for the most part, all I did was add in that flaxseed gel, smooth it with my hands using the praying hands method, and then I kind of went in and finger coiled it, or twirled it I should say, and kind of scrunched. And that is basically all I'm doing to all 6 sections that I have the previous product, which was the moisturizer, applied in. So just to show y'all how runny the flaxseed gel is, I actually did drop some because it's so runny. But this gel is very, very interesting to be used without a comb. Now I did have a comb background, but I did what it said, and like I said, I didn't use that brush at all. And normally I used the brush to clump my curls, but as I applied the flaxseed gel, it was doing a pretty good job clumping the curls on its own. So I was really impressed. So I take a large section and apply it, but then I go in each individual section and add a little bit more, especially a little bit towards the roots. And then I'm just kind of going in, raking it in and smoothing it in, and then just kind of seeing which curls just kind of want to separate on its own. Now some of them I don't twirl, I just kind of smooth, and then if I feel like it needs a twirl, I'll just go in and twirl it. That is basically all I'm doing per, you know, big section. I just apply the flaxseed gel and then I divide it into subsections. And this is how my hair is looking. Pretty awesome for just finger styling only. So I'm super impressed with this flaxseed gel. And once I'm done styling my whole head, I take a little bit more flaxseed gel and just go in and scrunch my hair up. And then I'm going to let these products set in my hair for about 30 to 45 minutes before I diffuse. And a new tip that I like to do now, you guys, is take a cotton t-shirt and kind of scrunch up and get some of that excess water out. So that's also something I forgot to mention. Make sure your hair is soaking wet or at least a little damp as you apply the products, which was suggested on the bottle as well. And you guys are going to see how after scrunching it with the t-shirt, it kind of is like drying up a lot faster. I don't know if you guys can see a little difference, but I definitely can. So now I'm going to go in with my diffuser on medium speed and medium heat and continue to just dry my hair. And these are my results, you guys. Now it did kind of have a gel cast because I mean it's flaxseed gel. So all I did was just take a little oil in my hands and went in and scrunched and fluffed my hair out to get this volume. I did pick it out a little bit because you guys know I love big voluminous hair. And again, this is first day hair by finger styling. So I'm really impressed that I didn't even have to use my Denman brush, you guys. Like, the results are amazing. I'm thoroughly impressed with the Curlmix Method 4-product system. Like, this is it. Make sure you guys check them out. I will leave the link to the products in the description box down below for you guys to see. And let me know what you guys think about this wash and go in the comment section. I would love to hear you guys' feedback. And yeah, you know, I'm just trying all these different variations of products and techniques, and just to show you guys a little shrinkage even after my trim. But yeah, I'm loving it. Bye.